Very good morning to all of you. You are welcome in class science, and as you know, so far what we studied about the wastewater. This is chapter number 18. Okay, we studied what the sewage is, sewers and sewerage. Okay, about the dirty water. Sewage is what, children? Again, it is the wastewater released from your kitchen, your bathroom, industries, hospitals and many other places. Okay, this is what the sewage is. Clear? If I talk about sewers are what? That is a pipeline. Okay, big pipelines are there, small pipes are there, and when they are combined they form the sewerage system, that is the transporting system. Okay, network system means one way where the clear water is going and one pipe that is carrying your sewage. Okay, so far we have studied this one. Today, as I have told you, I have discussed about that the sewage water should be treated if it is released into the water body. Of course, क्या होता है इन पानी को? This goes to the water body. They are released, they are discharged into the water bodies. Okay, but if it is discharged into the water body, that is to be checked out. Means it should be treated before releasing into water body or discharging into the water body. Why? You know, sewage containing many impurities. How the water becomes dirty, how it becomes waste? Because impurities are there, be it of organic impurity or inorganic, or many pathogens are there. Okay, those are to be treated. And suppose chemicals are there, if suppose acid portion is more, okay, because you know, it is discharged from the, it is कहाँ से आ रहा है ये पानी? It is coming from the industries, or industries में many things are manufactured, and definitely what happens? Obviously the chemicals are also used in those industries. So definitely the byproduct, the end product may be the acids. Okay, so how the effect of acid can be nullified or neutralized? See children, if acid, you know, this has been discussed in chapter number 6, acid base, and clear? So if there is effect of acid seen in the aquatic life, okay, our aquatic life will be in problematic situation. Okay, that many animals are also there and plants are also there in the water. They may die even. Okay, that's why these acids released should be treated with the base. Acid is there, should be treated with base. Okay, when these two combine, the effect of acid gets neutralized. It cannot show its effect. Okay, that's why those sewage should be treated with base before releasing it into the water body. Clear? Now you children see, as we fall ill, okay, it happens, just you understand the meaning what I want to convey you. When we fall ill, we go to the doctor for the treatment. Okay, it means we undergo the treatment. Okay, the same thing, clear water is there in front of you. Okay, and anyhow if it gets contaminated or polluted, okay, cannot be used. So what is required? It is to be treated. So the sewage, lot of water, means gallon of the water is there which gets contaminated or polluted. This require द ट्रीटमेंट. ठीक है, वो बीमार हो गया, डर्टी हो गया, वेस्ट हो गया, इसका मतलब बीमार हो गया. ओके, दैट्स वाई इट नीड्स द ट्रीटमेंट. दैट ट्रीटमेंट इज कॉल्ड WWTP. It gives you salt and water. What does it mean, WWTP? Waste water treatment plant. Children, I was not aware that you do not know the meaning of plant. What the plant is, what you think, these trees and all, herbs, shrubs, climbers and all? No. This plant is generally industries. Industries, factories, they are also termed as plant. Clear? So this system, the sewage has to undergo this WWTP. In this way, the water which we get at the end can be reused. Okay, so here WWTP, see children, the treatment of sewage include physical, chemical and biological process. Okay, because which remove, by doing these processes, if I am applying the physical process, okay, then it will remove the physical thing. If I am applying biological process, then biological impurities will be removed. And when I use the chemical process, it means chemical impurities will be removed. Okay, so for those, certain steps are there to be undergone. Certain steps are there. First step, bar screen. Okay, the sewage is passed through the bar screen. Bar, you know, you all have studied in maths, bar graph. Okay, means these are the bars. Okay, consider it to be the screen. Water is passed through this bar screen so that the physical impurities which are bigger in size, okay, like bottles, like can and any polythene bag, okay, can be removed by this screen. When it is flowing, obviously it will stop the bigger particle, isn't it? Just try to ponder upon. Imagine when water is flowing through this screen, it will stop the bigger particle that can be removed physically, manually. Okay, यहाँ पे ये फंस गया और उसको हटा दिया जाता है. Clear? This is your first step using bar screen. Second process is what? Now, when it has passed through this bar screen, it is passing through the tank which is called sand and grit tank. Okay, sand, grit and sand. Tank. What happens in this tank? The speed of water is decreased. Okay, when it will pass through this and reaches to this tank, here the speed of water will be decreased. Clear? क्या होगा? What will happen? Why the speed is decreased? So that the heavy particle can settle down. Those impurities are pebbles, grit, sands. Okay, they will settle down. After this stage, after this step, what happens? Then water is reaching to a tank. Okay, it is reaching to a tank, large tank this is, which is sloped towards the middle. water is allowed to move to the large tank which is sloped. Sloped मतलब sloping है थोड़ी सी, कहाँ पर है? मिडिल में. ओके, it is sloped towards the middle side. So what happened? The solid line faces these settles down at the bottom. Okay, these solids what happened? क्योंकि बच्चों यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो गया था स्पीड, ठीक है, स्पीड धीरे होगी तो यहाँ पे भी कोई इतनी तेज नहीं होगी, लार्ज टैंक से जा रहा है. दैट्स वाई हेयर द what is done, the solid particles like the faces, the human faces or animal faces, they are there, they get settled down at the bottom. Okay, and are removed, these solids which get settled at the bottom, they are removed with scraper. With what? Scraper. Clear? It has been removed from the bottom. Now what it is called? Which has been taken up, which has been removed, what is then called? It is called sludge. SLUDG. Remember the word, children, sludge, which has been removed, which was there at the bottom when it got deposited in the large tank. Okay, it was removed by the help of scraper. Okay, now it is called sludge. Clear? Now here the water which is there, obviously some solids are there like oil. Okay, and that is the removed oil and the greases. ठीक है, वो लोग हैं वहाँ पे. How they are removed? They are removed by the skimmers. Okay, the solid portion like the grease or the oil, they are removed by the skimmer. Now leftover water, what is that? Clarified water. Water which is called clarified water. Understood this thing? Now see children, this sludge what I talked about, that sludge is transferred to other tank. Okay, and in that tank the bacterias, which bacterias? Anaerobic bacterias are introduced. Okay, why these bacterias are introduced? So to decompose the sludge. Decompose, I told you what the decomposition is, the breaking down of the organic matter into the simpler one. Okay, those anaerobic bacteria will act upon these sludge, okay, and will decompose it, which will be used as fuel. Clear? Understand this thing very well. Okay, and side by side a biogas is also produced. Clear? This is fuel only. Biogas will be produced, which will be used as fuel, na? Liberating the energy. And another way, this sludge can be used as manure. ठीक है? Manure means natural fertilizer. Clear here? Now you must be thinking, now what happens to this clarified water? Clarified water is there. Now here also the air is introduced. Okay, and because aerobically the bacteria are there, they will, what they will do? They will act upon the solid matter which are still there. Okay, which has not been removed still. Okay, they will act upon those material which is left in the clarified water. What are those material? Obviously feces. Okay, these bacteria will consume this food waste, the feces and anything else remaining here. Okay, those aerobic bacteria will consume those things, the waste which is there still in the clarified water, which has not been removed still. Understood the thing? This is the fourth step. Okay. Now what happens, children? When these bacteria, which bacteria? Aerobic bacteria are acting upon these waste material. Okay, and when they after several hours, what we see, those which are feeding on this clarified water will get settled. ठीक है, वो नीचे बैठने लगेगा. What that thing is called? That is called the activated sludge. In first phase it was sludge only. Okay, and when the air was introduced in that tank to the aerobic bacteria, now they are feeding on these waste remaining in the water, and then after several hours they get settled at the bottom. Clear here? See children, अब क्या बचा? Clarified water, ठीक है, और नीचे जो एक्टिवेटेड स्लज है, दोनों बचे. दिस वाटर इज नाउ रिमूव्ड ईदर बाय यूजिंग द मशीन और सैंड. ठीक है, फिर बाद में क्या बच जाएगा? स्लज. दैट इज द स्लज, ड्राई स्लज, विच इज यूज्ड एज मैन्योर, ऑर्गेनिक. ठीक है, उसको ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में लिया जाता है एंड इट इज टेकन टू द फील्ड जस्ट टू provide the growth to the plants. Clear है? Now what happens at the last? Here the treated water has very low level of organic matter. Clear? And the suspended matter. It is discharged into the sea. I said you already. कहाँ जाता है ये सारा वेस्ट वाटर? Clear? River or into the ground. Nature clean it up. जब ये वाटर बॉडी में चला जाता है, फिर बच्चों बाकी का काम किसका रहता है? नेचर ही आगे इसका काम करती है और क्लीन करती है. समटाइम इट मे बी नेसेसरी टू डिसइंफेक्ट द वाटर. स्टिल ये जो पानी है, इट इज़ नॉट दैट मच ऑफ क्लियर सो दैट इट कैन बी ड्रंक. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट ड्रिंकेबल स्टिल, सो दैट दिस इज टू बी डिसइंफेक्टेड बाय यूजिंग ओजोन और क्लोरीन. Clear? It is necessary to disinfect the water with the chemical like chlorine and the ozone before releasing it into the distribution system. Clear here? Understood everything? Now, this is how the sewage is treated. Now children, what we can do? Become an active citizen. We should be active enough and we can limit the type of the that is the waste as well as quantity of the waste. Okay, during the rainy season you generally see the drains are over full and it creates a lot of problem, isn't it? So you can be the enlightened citizen and approach the municipality or gram panchayat instead that the open drain should be covered. On our efforts this we can do. Instead that the open drains are covered, if the sewage of the any particular house makes the neighborhood dirty, we should request them to be more considerate about others' health, because it becomes the health hazard. No, this problem becomes health hazard. So children, some practices are there which we can follow, okay, to avoid this much of problem in our environment, in our atmosphere, in our city. Okay, first, the cooking oil and fat should not be thrown down the drain. Why? Because they harden and block the pipes. Open area में fat clog and soil pores reduce its effectiveness in filtering the water. If we pour it into the soil, then what will happen? उसकी porosity कम हो जाएगी. So the water will not be filtrated and reach to the ground level. Secondly, chemicals जैसे पेंट है, आपके सॉल्वेंट है, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स है, मोटर ऑयल है, मेडिसिन्स है, may kill the microbes that help purify the water. Okay, so we should not throw them down the drain. To be kept in the mind that what we should do to save our environment. Okay, now whatsoever the leaves, that is the tea leaves we are using, should not be thrown into the open drain. Soft toys, cotton, sanitary towels should not be thrown in the dustbin. Should be thrown into the dustbin, not into the drain. These waste chok the drain. They do not allow free flow of oxygen. This hampers the degradation process. Degradation process means decomposition process. यदि हम ये सब फेंक देंगे तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल पाएगी, और you know for decomposition oxygen is required. Clear? Now come to the next point, that is now children see sanitation and the disease. If poor sanitation is there, okay, and contaminated water is there, these both are the cause for the large number of the disease. Okay, children, you must have seen in the village also that most of the people are still not getting proper facility. Okay, they are not getting the proper facility. Large number of the people are going to defecates in the open, which is not good at all. Okay, in the dry riverbeds, on the railway tracks and near the fields, many a times directly in the water even they do. Okay, untreated human excreta is health hazard. They also should be treated. Clear? This may cause the water pollution, because when it will go to water body, and if we are taking it in use, then the bacteria, microorganism, disease causing bacteria may enter in our body and cause the waterborne disease like cholera, dysentery and others. Clear? See here children, this may even pollute the groundwater. Clear? Which we are getting through the tube wells, well, boring and all. So it becomes the most common route for the waterborne disease, typhoid, cholera and meningitis, hepatitis, dysentery. Clear? So proper sanitation should be there. Now alternate arrangement for sewage disposal. You know children, where sewerage is not there, means network of pipe system is not there, then what happens there? Okay, how this problem can be eradicated? Let us take alternative arrangement for the sewage disposal. I am reading it out for you. To improve the sanitization, low cost on-site sewage disposal systems are being encouraged, like septic tanks, chemical toilets, compositing pits. Septic tanks are suitable for the place where there is no sewerage system. I told you, no? In many of the places, sewerage system is not there. Then what to do? Some alternatives are there. They are preparing the chemical toilets. They are preparing the septic tanks. Okay. No sewerage system for hospital, isolated buildings or the cluster of 4 to 5 houses. Okay. Some organization they offer even hygienic on-site human waste disposable technology. These technology do not require the scavenging. Excreta from the toilet seats flow through the covered drainage. Obviously, it goes to into the biogas plant. Our human excreta directly it is reaching to the biogas plant where biogas is produced. Clear? Now, the next topic is sanitation at public place. See children, in the public place like railway station, like your bus stand, your hospitals and many other public places, there a lot of waste is generated. Okay, and government also has laid down many rules and regulations which is to be enforced, but unfortunately it is not being enforced or not even followed up by the people. See here children, We can contribute in maintaining the sanitation at public place. We should not scatter the litter anywhere. If there is no dustbin in the site, we should carry the litter home and throw it in the dustbin. It is our own efforts, what we can do on our side. If we don't find any this dustbin, we can take the waste with us only at home and we can throw it in the dustbin. So these precautions we can take it. Okay, now what the conclusion is. So what the conclusion we are reaching at, I am going to read it out for you. We have a role to play the keeping our environment clean and healthy, because it becomes our responsibility, our duty. Okay, we must realize our responsibility in maintaining the water sources in the healthy state. Adopting good sanitation practices should be our way of life. As an agent of change, your individual initiative will make a great difference. Influence others with your energy, ideas and optimism. A lot can be done if people work together. There is a great power in collective action. Okay, we can educate others, we can give the information, we can give the knowledge to the others if they are not following it. What the consequences we can have if we are having the poor sanitation. In public place, we should try our best not to spread, not to throw the litter here and there as far as possible. So some efforts we all should put on, and whatsoever the guidelines given by the government, we should follow up and it should be enforced. Here I end my chapter, children. Do watch the video and go through the chapter. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.